Court for the Northern District of Florida, Pensacola Division. This is a federal court. If you are calling for the Escambia County Courthouse, their phone number is 595-4310. The office hours for the federal clerk's office are Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. If you know your party's extension, press the pound key. Press 1 for our mailing address and website address. Press 0 to speak with the deputy clerk. Thank you and have a great day. Wait while I transfer your call. Yes, District Court, this is Rebecca. How may I help you?
Hi, Rebecca. If I give you a case number, is it possible you could tell me how to order audio tapes from that case?
I can see we have the transcript. What's the case number?
It's 3:06-CR83/MCR.
And which defendant?
Kent Hovind.
And what are you looking for?
The audio tapes. I'm told I can order audio tapes from that trial.
Hold on, just find a minute.
Okay, thanks.
Travis speaking.
Hi, Travis. I'm trying to get audio tapes from a particular case, and if I have the case number, can you direct me to the right spot?
Sure, I'll be happy to.
Great. Okay, I got the case number, sir. You ready?
I'm ready.
3:06-CR83/MCR.
Mr. Hovind, I believe it's Dr. Hovind.
Yep.
Let's see here. Audio tapes would not be available, but let me look and see if the transcripts were prepared for the case.
Okay. Just curious if you know why audio is not available. Is there a particular reason, or?
Because we have court reporters in the courtroom for trials.
Okay. Oh, what is...
The court reporters take the proceedings. We have a stenographic reporter that would take the proceedings.
Oh, you mean it goes through in a written way as there's no audio?
Yeah, it's a live person there, and I'm kind of generalizing and talking about trials. It could be any sort of court proceeding in front of a district judge, but we'll just use trial as an example. We would have a live stenographic reporter in the courtroom taking down everything that's being said using a machine stenograph.
Okay, so I'm not trying to be a pain or anything, but I was told specifically that there was audio tapes for all federal cases, and you're saying in cases where there's stenographers, that's not the case. Is that what you're telling me? Because
you're saying you were told that. I've never heard of that being the case for federal court. Federal courts across the country, for the most part, use stenographers.
Okay, so as far as you know, there is no audio tapes for the case of Dr. Hovind with the case number I just gave you earlier.
Correct, or really any other case. But they're all those cases, basically any case, really either criminal or civil, would have a live court reporter taking down steno.
Okay, and do you mind if I get your name again? Because I'm going to have to tell some other people, and that they were under the false impression that there are audio tapes of this trial, and I just want to be able to say that I actually spoke with a representative of the court, and his name was, give him your name. And
Travis Green. Yeah, it's Travis Green. First name's Travis, last name Green, like the color.
Okay, all right. Well, Mr.
Would you like for me to see if there are prepared transcripts in this particular case?
I wouldn't mind knowing if there are and how much they cost. I think I have access, but I would like to order my own, depending on the price. That would be great.
Okay, sure. Let me take a look.
Thank you. And while you're looking, it sounds like I'm being a pain, but can you just state your role in the court? So, like, say Travis Green, performing as clerk or whatever. Not clerk. I didn't mean any role that you are.
Well, my position is I'm resident deputy in charge of the Pensacola division.
Okay.
But I'm also the court reporter supervisor, so that's why they bounced the call to me.
Oh, okay. Very good. Very good. I got the right guy.
Let me see here. A lot of documents in this case, so it's taking me a minute to kind of go through this.
Now, okay. Joe Hoven. I'm sorry. You go ahead, sir.
I was just going to say the transcripts that I see here looks like they're around. Looks like there's several days of trial. Looks like all the transcripts were filed back in 2008. They're all probably the most cost-effective way for you to get them. I mean, you can come to the court and, of course, review them electronically if you wanted to do that.
Is that free if I do that?
With doing that, but if you wanted to actually get copies of them, probably the most cost-effective method would be to use the PACER system, and you could just download them electronically using the PACER system if you wanted to do that. Otherwise, you could just look at them here at our public intake terminal here in the clerk's office. Okay.
Let me ask you this last follow-up question. You've been so helpful, and I'm very grateful. Joe Hoven had a sentencing associated with the same trial like a year later, and I'm looking specifically for her sentencing where she was sentenced. It was like I can't remember the exact day, but do you have the Joe Hoven sentencing transcript? Is that anything that rings any? Okay. Because I think I have the Kent Hoven sentencing transcript, but I'm looking for the Joe Hoven sentencing.
Oh, okay, sure. There's about 300 documents.
Yeah, no problem.
It takes a little time to kind of look through it.
Yeah, no problem. The Kent Hoven sentencing transcript was October of 2006.
Okay.
So I think I heard someone say that Joe Hoven's sentencing was about a year later, so if that helps locate it any.
Well, I'm looking at it in the case file. It's document 262.
Okay.
It's the document number, and I see a transcript that's entitled "Transcript of Sentencing Proceeding before Honorable M. Casey Rogers." The proceeding was January the 19th of 2007. And I'm kind of looking at the first couple pages.
Okay.
It appears to be Joe Hoven. Hold on.
Okay, it doesn't, at the top, you know how it says United States of America plaintiff versus?
It says it has both of them listed. It actually says versus Kent and Joe. It list both of them on the docket sheet.
That may be the one I have. Is that got a date of October the 18th, 2006?
This has got January the 19th, 2007.
That might be the one I need then.
Okay. And that's document 262. You could, like I say, you could either come to the courthouse and look at it for free over the public intake terminal, or if you wanted to get it on Pacer,
just look it up by the document.
Pacer charges would apply, yeah.
Okay, no, I've got Pacer.
Are you familiar with Pacer at all?
Well, I've logged into it. I can't say I'm an expert at it, but I finagle my way around, and but I'll look for document 262.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you for your time, Mr. Travis Green. I hope you have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, you guys heard it. I just want to be clear. Travis Green, you heard his title, said there is no audio for Kent Hoven's trial. And he wasn't surprised. He doesn't think that was abnormal. Okay, take care.